Hi everyone, good morning. So after a long time, I'll be doing live trade. So I've planned I'll be doing live trade today. Okay. So this one I have not yet decided. I have all the stocks and the analysis done, and today is expiry also. So maybe in Bank Nifty I'll be doing it, or in some other I'll be doing it. Whatever it is, we'll try to take good entries. And even today's expiry, so we just need to figure out the range of the market in which the basically Bank Nifty will keep on moving. If that is figured out, it's easy to make good amount of money. But let's see. So I've already taken it. I'm expecting it to go down now. Nifty 50 has been going down. Bank Nifty has started moving upside. So my stop loss is going to be, if it is breaking today's high, I'll exit. And my target is basically covering up, if it is covering up this particular gap, let me just draw it. So approximately 150 points. I'm looking for it, 150, 60 points. Let's see the position. OI data is very less. No, it's not happening. So approximately 574. Okay. I'll be over here planning to exit. It has moved upside. So options are like that. And that too on the day of expiry. I guess it will be going up now. So it's, if this candle is closing below this pivot point like R1, it's good for me. So I still have like 4 minutes now. So anything can happen in this particular time period. The benefit of option selling is the decay, which we keep on getting. That's the biggest benefit. And that too on the day of expiry, but there is always a drawback that in a case if market moves all of a sudden and if you have not put up the stop loss, okay, and then you are going to, will be done. Over here, I have not put up the stop loss because I'll be exiting it manually. And calculating the price 695, say I want it somewhere around 130 points. So maybe approximately से 100 points तक तो चाहिए, मतलब 50 के आसपास मिल जाता है if it is going till this level. That's great for me. Because if we see market depth, okay, so previous closing was at 150 where Bank Nifty had closed at this point of time. So 150 was this level, and when the price has come up this level, there is already 150, it has been going, okay, 157 and all, it is going. So already that is done. Okay. Have a look on Nifty. Nifty is going down. This candle is a bit weird. See the formation of this candle, I really hate. So let's have a look on Nifty 50 ka candle. Nifty 50 has shown a great downside movement. From yesterday, it is showing us a downside movement. And today also, it has been showing the same thing. Nifty Bank, it has been trying to go upside, come down and all. Particularly 630, 170 के आसपास 100 points है यहाँ से. So the decay I can expect from here, 39,700 CE, already it is out of the money now. From here, if I'm getting approximately 40, 80 points. Yeah, 80 points will be good enough. So I'll place my target. My system is having some issue. I'm just trying to figure out that. How can I switch on? Because difficult. More of 80 points required. Sudden of fall if it comes. I guess it will be coming because Nifty 50 is falling badly. So there is a chance. Breakout, it will be going down 100%. From this particular point where my target is, I have placed my target though. Okay, but I guess if we see the price is 125 as of now. Okay, and let's say I have placed at 60 rupees. Yeah, at 61 I have placed. So if the prices are not coming to 61 even after crossing this level, then I'll be exiting the manually whatever I have got. But hoping for a great fall in that situation, it can achieve. Over here, my EMA is there. Okay. So from my particular EMA, it can take, definitely it can take support. So I'll be careful with that. The decay factor helps always really good in expiry. Okay. Okay. My target about to hit. Okay. My target has got hit, but the price which I had kept has not got hit, which was like if we see that whatever the target I placed at this point of time, it has got hit and it will be taking reversal. So my this is at 61. We'll wait for some more time. Let's see what happens. We'll expect this to touch come till here like 535. In a case, if it is taking, if it is closing here like 575, if it is closing, good to go. I'm looking for my second target now. Anyway, it's the day of expiry, right? So this much I can expect. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll definitely wait for it to touch these levels. There is no hurry. There is nothing like that. Okay, let's book the profit. We'll wait now. Let's see the market whether it respects because a few things over here. I knew this is going to take a reversal from here, and my target was exactly from that point of time. But overall, the market is still in profit booking phase. So I'm expecting it to touch like this particular level. If it is touching this level, that's a good thing. If it is not, if it is reversing, if this candle is like closing in very good sorry, green candle, then that's a point to exit. आना तो चाहिए एक बार 39,500 के लेवल को टच करना चाहिए एज इन 39,520 30 तक it should be coming. It's touching, it should be, and definitely it will be. If not, then we'll get to know कि क्या हो रहा है. Because option chain data, the majority is getting support at this point of time, and 39,700 is another resistance. So let's see. Profit as of now 30,000 plus. have a look at Nifty 50, how Nifty 50 is behaving. Nifty 50 though completely it is going to be in downtrend, it is showing. But Bank Nifty का थोड़ा तो है. Profit 29 चल रहा है, देखते हैं क्या. This level is important to break now. Good fall, but candle closing is important. So the breakfast is done, and over here there is a power cut now. Okay. So it has shown a good movement. That was like obviously when it was not able to cross this, it will be showing us a pullback. But this particular pullback, let's see the impact on the position. The profit is still 21,000 going on. Why? Because decay, right? The movement, if we see, is not that very fast. If the movement will be like in a minute, if it is moving 100 points, then it will be a very great movement, which is happening as of now. So now it has been moving it very fast. See, the position which I have taken is 39,700 C first. Okay, now let's go upside. Let's refresh it. And the cost which I have purchased is sold at 187. To be at 187, okay, it has to touch 39,887 somewhere, okay, or basically 39,900 it has to touch. Then I'll be in some minimal loss. If it is below that, I'll be in profit no matter whatever happens. Okay. Now, if you look up at the chances of crossing it, there is, as of now, if 39,800 is getting broken, then there is a chance of crossing it. Or else, overall, the market is going to be between 39,500 to 40,000. Okay. Rest will be seeing what is going to happen in next another 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If it is not coming in my favor, basically, if it is not closing below 39653, below 30 or 40 points, then I'll be exiting it because there is no point of holding it. Okay, this is market or anything at any point of time, it can happen. Whatever I had decided the target for it, like my first target, initial target, that was done. But my over here, I was expecting more decay, which it didn't happen. And because of that, I'm still holding it in a case, or not hoping it, holding it, okay, based on the analysis or anything, okay, because if it has come till here, then it should be going till down, like till this particular, like from till pivot also it should be. Now I have to see and keep it in mind that EMA crossover, particularly EMA crossover is done. Okay, my EMA crossover are done and it is showing me a buy side entry. So that is once again a problem, or basically a thing too, which I have to think that if the EMA crossover which is showing me for buy side and I'm expecting it to go for downside, so this is becoming a contradiction. Okay, but let's wait and wait for the candle to close. because candle closing is important. Nifty 50 has been showing a wonderful movement towards downside. So some impact should be there. This is the point going to be resistance for, and then this level. Any candle closing at this, like a proper red candle, how this candle have closed without any kind of wick or very small wick, then that is going to be a master candle for me. If we see the PNL, it is 24,000 plus going on. The decay is always there. So it is moving upside. Let it move. It doesn't matter. Still, the profit is 19,000 plus going on. Okay. Maybe I guess I have to hold till the end of the expiry, like till the like 3 o'clock. If it is not giving, I'll wait. Let's see what happens. So market is in range. I'm trying to buy more, trying to add more quantity over here. 250 more. I have placed the order. So I purchased this at 130. Okay. Now my stop loss is going to be once any candle is closing above this, I'll be exiting it. Nifty 50 is still moving downside and Bank Nifty is moving up. So these are a few contradiction. So I'm not giving or saying anything. I'm just watching the market now and I'm replying to the queries which I'm getting on WhatsApp. Okay. So like why and why is not. If we see Nifty 50, we can see a great fall which has been coming from yesterday. And if we see Bank Nifty range bound, from that time I was saying, and I had muted. I was on mute, and from that time I was speaking everything. What is my mindset and everything. Okay, no worries. I will repeat. From it's funny, but that's fine. See, this was my target over here. Now I had exited it because see, this particular 60 quantity, 73, whatever the price is as of now, this will be becoming zero. Why? 39,700 is the currently the CE call options which I have taken, and if we see the Bank Nifty, which is at 39,543, which means even if it is climbing up to 160 rupees, means 39,700 also if it is going, I'll be, even if it is climbing 160 rupees from here, okay, I'll be making some 70 rupees extra profit, means which is going to be 70 into 6 if I do, because 600 quantity to 42,000 more I can make it up. Okay, that is there. Now what I'm going to do, I'll play the reversal game, as in hedge. I'll hedge my position now, and I'll update you that. Okay, the position has been kept now. All the are safe position as of now. Okay, because there is a very less chance to market to cross 39,500. In a case if it is crossing also, it won't really impact me. 39,500, there is a good support at this point of time. If that is also crossed, then I'll look into it, but hoping it is not going to cross 39,500 and 400. That's the reason I have split it. Okay, and I guess today I'm going to make 1 lakh. I'm very much sure. And yesterday I had made 93, and today it is going to be, if it happens, I'll be very happy, because that is going to be properly first expiry trade where I'll be making this much amount of money. So you can see the happiness when I cannot thinking about the money, but from the calculation you can obviously you can figure it out, right? So let's wait till the end now. The only thing is that from here the market should be moving upside. It should not come down. Okay, if it is coming down, then that is a problem for me. Okay, even if it is coming down, not a major problem, I would say. Okay, because 39,500, say if it has to come down, the value is 114. So I will be making loss only if the prices are closing at 39,000 350 के आसपास. Okay, so let's see what happens. This is why am I happy? Not because of the profit, but after putting up so many years, and today this is the first time I felt that I have my mindset from the morning was ki I'll be taking good trades. Wait. So basically, I was recording it on the screen also, but every time I was getting text messages. Okay, so I just having removing the notification. Okay, all right. So yeah, so the only thing over here is as of now is I'm hoping it to be above 39,500. If it is, then good for me. If it is not also, then that is also great for me. All right, mine is done and dusted now. Nothing else. All right. So it has shown a fall that was expected, but ठीक है देखते हैं अभी बहुत टाइम है मार्केट क्लोज होने में इट्स लाइक 4 hours now. ऑप्शन चेन डेटा लेट्स हैव अ लुक कि वहां पे कुछ हो रहा है क्या कुछ खास यहाँ पे तो मूवमेंट है नहीं 39,500 39,700 it won't be crossing it up. We'll wait and we'll see. That's it, nothing else as of now. So all right guys, so the profit has moved to 96,000 and to be very honest, I was expecting this to come up. Even this, it would not have come up, then also it would not have mattered for me because जो भी ट्रेड लिया आज सही ट्रेड लिया मैंने that was one of the best part of today's thing. Okay. And in the morning only while starting it, I told I'll be recording this particular session. Man, it has been wonderful till now, and let's hope for the best. Yeah, Gaurav. Yeah, Gaurav. Yeah. Okay, now if it's going down also. Yeah. See, the thing is, now we are not doing any kind of futures or anything. Okay. So I don't need to worry anything. I checked. There are some like news happening. Okay, there are some investigation going on. So there are some panic selling happening because of that. It has moved down. So anyway, 30,000-40,000 is not a big deal. If it is not coming up in next, let's say 1 or 2 months also, I can do intraday and make it up. So don't worry about the same. Hello. 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 Fine. So finally, it has touched 1 lakh rupees. And trust me, I won't be exiting or doing anything over here. It's not about the profit booking of 1 lakh rupees. It's holding it till further. Okay, because 39,500 is one of the level which is there. Okay.
Namaskar. India has achieved 100.
Hello. Yeah, Gaurav. Yeah, Gaurav. Yeah. So that's what I was trying. So nothing to worry because see, this is I have taken it for like by paying the full amount for delivery, right? So there is nothing to worry that even if it, let's say, even if it falls till 200 more points also, if it falls, so 60,000 loss is going to be there. Okay, and I won't be exiting because after maybe let's say after a week or next Monday also it can start moving upside. So it's just a matter of 5% which it has fallen. Because over here I'm looking for a profit of approximately, let's say if it turns out into my favor, I'm looking at for 1,000 points. So which is going to be somewhere 1,50,000 rupees. And that's a target for next 3 months. Okay. 1 month is done, right? So next, let's say 1 month or 2 months, whatever it is going to happen, I'll take care. Don't worry about the same. Okay. So if there is any extra amount of money you want to add up, I can go through the intraday or anything. We can do that. That's fine. Let them take some time. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yeah, don't worry about it because that's what we have taken it for. Like even I had taken in my account also. Again, it's going down, so nothing to worry on the same. Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah. यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपको नहीं दिखेगा पहली चीज, और दूसरी चीज जो लिंक मैं भेज रहा हूँ तो उसी पे आप क्लिक करने के बाद दिखेगा। तो अगर आप क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं तो ये आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ना क्लास अटेंड करना। ठीक है, अगर आप अटेंड नहीं कर रहे तो दूसरा अल्टरनेटिव यही है कि रिकॉर्डिंग देखना होगा। Paper trading is nothing but virtual trading with virtual money. एक बार आप कस्टमर केयर को कॉल करो, क्योंकि कोटक का मुझे आइडिया नहीं है कि इनका कैसे काम करता है। So in that situation, as I told in the class, that we have to select intraday options. If you are selecting intraday option, then it won't be getting sold. If you are selecting that long-term CNC one, then it will be getting sold. So that's the great I told, right? So I'm not here for just for the 1 lakh rupees or something like that. I'll hold it till the time I'm feeling it comfortable to hold. Okay. There is no chance of Nifty to go up because Nifty 50 has already gone in like loss side, and you have purchased at 81. It's okay, maybe you have purchased today. So there is not even one single chance that it is going to go. It is, you are going to make loss only. Because right now the price of Nifty is 8150 tonight, and to make you go in profit, it has to go upside by approximately 250 points. Okay, yeah, sorry, 220 points, which is not possible at all. In that case, you can use AMO, or apart from that also you can use normal order. Okay. But when the strategy class is going to start, you learn when you have to place order, not like that. Okay, so you'll be learning it very soon, so you need to have patience. Yes, so the same mobile number should be linked with your Aadhaar card and PAN, and it should be there in your bank account also. So you'll be getting a profit of 100 if the market is going upside. Second thing is that when the market falls like 700, considering it, so you'll be losing only 200. But what happens that as soon as the market goes down, you start getting messages that max to max 50% of the amount you'll be losing it. I'm really happy for you. Like you're doing really, really great now. See, the only thing I want to say for anything, like if you want to hold but you are scared, so one thing you have to do, the vision for holding it, was it for long term or short term? If it is for short term and you are scared, you can exit half, or else you can, if it is for long term, then don't worry. Hi, you need to check the group. I've been sending the recordings of all the classes in the group itself. See, when the market has crossed 10, 20, and 50, and it should be in series, then only you can go for the trade, or else you can't. They should not be levying any kind of charges, but just you need to check with the same. Okay. And regarding if you're staying outside India, okay. So you need to check with your local customer care that how can you close it. Okay. So they will be telling you whether it is any kind of charges are there or not. मैं कोई भी कॉल नहीं देता हूँ, ठीक है। एंड दूसरी चीज, जो लॉस हो गया उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए एंड वेट करिए जब क्लास की स्ट्रेटेजी स्टार्ट होगा। मैंने बोला था नहीं ट्रेड करने के लिए, बट फिर भी आप लोग ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, तो सोचना पड़ेगा ना आपको। और आज एक्सपायरी है, तो ऑप्शन बाइंग आज के दिन पे पॉसिबल हो नहीं पा रहा है, ठीक है। क्यों? अभी क्योंकि इसमें मार्केट में कुछ वैसा मूवमेंट नहीं दिख रहा है, मार्केट जो है पर्टिकुलरली रेंज में दिखेगा, तो इस वजह से कोई कॉल्स तो देता भी नहीं है। बट एक बात बता रहा हूँ कि जो भी प्रीमियम वैल्यू होगी वो डिक्रीज होते जाएंगे टाइम टू टाइम, यानी ये जीरो हो जाएगी। तो जो पैसे बचे हुए आपके 500 रुपए जो बचेंगे, वो आप सेल करके निकालना चाहते तो निकाल लो। अगर होप में लगे रहोगे तो खुद नहीं हो पाएगा, बट आपकी मर्जी है, आप जैसा सही लगता है आपको कर सकते हो। So basically the first part which you have said is correct, the second part is wrong. Okay. So whatever the volume is there, that is for everyone, okay, for all the brokers. No, so you're expecting market to be in the same range. Now that the position is hedged, so nothing I'm looking for it. Okay, it's just that it should be above 395. Okay, nothing else. They have to wait for another 3 hours, nothing else. Nothing can be done. I guess I'll stop the recording from morning. Each and every aspect has been recorded. I'll be cutting short and putting it up. Okay. And in the end, whatever happens, I'll just upload that one. All right, guys. So from morning, I'm recording everything. Okay, and I have to wait because HK hours. I have to wait for the position to get zero. There is no other option. I can exit right now also, but I'll wait for another 1 hour and then I'll be exiting it. Mostly these all will be exited by 3 or 4 rupees if there is no downtrend coming up by before this particular level. This is the level. If it is crossing also, okay, then also it doesn't matter at all. At one point of time, I was thinking that should I convert 39500 P? Should I exit and get into 39400 on a safer end? Then I dropped the idea because I thought like calculated the price and it wouldn't have costed me so much. If the situation would have arisen like that, then I would have done it. Okay. So yeah, let's wait and watch. I know you might have seen the movement. Okay, so this particular movement was like crazy movement. I was like at one point of time when it fell down, I was like, fine, let it fall. Okay, and add a limitation ki 39,000. This particular was the one when it would have crossed. Then I would have. I was like, I started thinking ki was I overconfident? Was I doing anything wrong? Like obviously you start thinking in the way, right? So then I thought, okay, let's wait for some time, and I calculated no matter whatever happens, if it is not crossing 39,400, I'll be still in good profit. Okay. But when the comeback came, like seriously, this comeback, you know, now this particular 39,000 C, which it had made a low, you can see it had made a low of somewhere 9 rupees, say 230. 300 times the crazy movement. Like approximately 240 rupees, 230 rupees movement came in that particular premium. And from here, 447 say 400 ka approximately 50% of this particular movement it had come up. So definitely one of the best trade. Last moment was a bit roller coaster, but that's fine. And you saw the profit went down till 78 or 70 somewhere. Okay, but I was out to receive some parcel, and I was checking in my phone, and I have recorded in my phone also that when it was moving, I was very like a bit of overconfidence. At one point of time, I thought, "Ki was I overconfident in not shifting this particular 400 to 39,400?" But when you have taken a decision, I had already taken it up, and the modification definitely would have come if there was some another fall, like going like crossing 39,400. Then I would have shifted it to 39,300 because or 400. That would have been better option for me. Okay. Now another thing. This is your bank Nifty, and I don't know what's wrong with Nifty 50. Nifty 50 has also given a great movement from here on. 18,050 से 100 रुपए का movement ये भी दिया है. So overall, it's a great day for me. Now nothing, just I have to exit the trade. I'll wait for some more time to get somewhere over from here. I'll be getting a decay of 3,200 plus 1,200, 4,400 over here, and the loss of somewhere 2,000 rupees of loss over here. So 2,000 और profit आएगा, तो वो लेके खत्म कर देंगे. Let me just exit at 1.2. I'll wait and see. Like initially you saw, like in the video you would have seen that how happy I was after making like 60,000 somewhere in the first trade. After that I saw there is a good opportunity to grab. Okay, and that I grabbed it, and I waited for it. I patiently waited till the time I didn't exit at 1 lakh when it came at that price. No point, because expiry, get the decay, everything, and that's done. I guess I'll be modifying it everything. Okay, because it is going to be the same profit. Over here, I'll be saving 2,000 rupees if I'm exiting right away. If I'm not exiting it, then I'll be losing it out 2,000 rupees. And over here, I'll be gaining somewhere 2,400 and 800 means 1,000 rupees profit I'll get if I'm holding it till the end. All right, guys. So I have like exited my all my trades now. Like before that only I'd exited from the phone itself, and I'd exited before the price. Why? Because I calculated this particular out of the money options. Okay, the profit is anyway going to come the same. So there was no point of holding it till the end and then exiting it. The profit is anyway going to come same, right? So yeah. So that's all from my end, and the fund utilized is important. So how much fund I had utilized? 7,88,000 was the total fund. I guess 780, depending on the how many at what point of time I was taking which trade. Okay, so these were the funds which was utilized. So that's all from my end. So the only thing I want to say, if you're trade like this is the highest profit I have made till now after having being in the market from last 4-5 years, and I never thought of making like lakhs rupees or anything. It was just the patience, and today the day was good enough. I went directional, and then after hitting the target again, I went to the opposite direction. Okay, and that's how even when the market like fell down sharply. At that point of time also, it was a bit of doubting myself, but then if I'll start doubting, then I'll think of profit and all. So the only thing was I was thinking that the trades are good, everything is fine, good enough. So definitely it is going to reward me with a very good profit, and that's what it has been done. So that's all from my end. Bye guys. Yeah.